Okay guys, we switched away from the bumblebee and now we're going to go with the smoked pearl. And I like this one here because it's got a white bottom, and you really can't go wrong with the white bottom. But I picked these up at Tom's Bait in Middleborough, and they've got some great products in there, guys. Check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel at We Love That 23. And if she fat, we love that. And if you're watching the videos, guys, hit the like and don't be afraid to share. I would greatly appreciate that. And stay tuned.